Welcome to TCN Vending, China's premier innovator in automated retail. We operate 4 advanced factories, with headquarters in Ningxiang, China. For over 20 years, we've dedicated ourselves to delivering integrated one-stop vending solutions, backed by our R&D experts. Complete customization of machine appearance, structure, software, and branding to your specifications. From standard snack, beverage, fresh food, and hot meal models, to customized blind box and cosmetic units, TCN delivers all. Truly built for every scenario, designed for every brand. We integrate advanced payment systems with QR codes and other payment methods, supporting 200+ languages worldwide. To power global commerce seamlessly, TCN Vending transforms needs into solutions while delivering tailored customization globally.